Hey, hi, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Again, my name is Bibi, and I'm just here because I have been receiving all your messages. I have been receiving all your, what you're calling, all your DM through my Instagram, and I realized that it's about time I come and so we can talk because I feel like it just have been you guys have been asking so much, and I feel like I have not been giving you what you have been requesting, and I'm so sorry. I apologize. I know that everybody has been asking about French video to come back. French video, when am I bringing it back? So today I'm just here for us to just talk about it, and I'm gonna try to bring French video to you every, let's see, Tuesday, and to every Tuesday. Let's see how it goes, but that is my goal, to be able to try to bring it to you. So go get your pen and paper, and let's just get right into it today, okay? So I guess you are back for the lesson. So like I was saying, today is a French video, and today is Tuesday. So whenever you see me post a video on Tuesday, know that it is a French. And anybody that want to learn things about French or want to know a little bit about French, send it to them, share, and I hope that they will be enjoying it. And I hope that you guys have been enjoying my French video so far, because I have received messages and you guys want more. So here it is. So today I just wanted us to talk about, I have my note like I always do. I want us to talk about French phrases that a first-time traveler need to know or need to be aware of if they are traveling to any country where they speak French, right? So I'm gonna teach you like 10 things, 10 phrases that I think people need to know. So the first one is gonna be about good morning, or how to say a proper good morning. And I feel like we all know that bonjour means good morning, bonsoir means good evening. And I feel like one thing also that you need to know is how to say merci. Merci is when you say thank you to somebody. I feel like when you're traveling, thank you is something that you should know, because you can run into somebody or hit somebody at the hotel or at the airport, or somebody help you with something. The least you can do is to say thanks to the person in the language that the person can understand you, right? So bonjour mean good morning, bonsoir mean good evening, good afternoon mean bon après-midi, and then merci mean thank you. So the first thing is to say hello and to learn how to say thank you. The second, how to ask for direction, or how to ask about something where you are going. Like for example, where is this place? Where is this place will mean c'est où cette place? C'est où ce lieu, for example. Where is this place? How can I find this? Or où se trouve ce médicament? Like if you want to ask, where is the train station, for example, for somebody, or you need to take a train from that airport, you can ask, oh, where is the gate, or where is gate number 20? You can say, c'est où la porte B20? C'est où la porte B20? S'il vous plaît, c'est où la porte B20? That means you're asking the person, excuse me, please can you show me the gate B27? If you ask B27 is B27 in French is going to be B27, right? So we need to know how to ask question, or if you want to ask somebody, can you help me, for example, you can say, pouvez-vous m'aider? Pouvez-vous m'aider? Help is aider. Pouvez-vous m'aider? Can you help me please, sir? Pouvez-vous m'aider, s'il vous plaît, monsieur? That's how you say it. Okay? The third one will be when it comes to accommodation, right? Few phrases for hotel and accommodation. It can be, I would like to book a room. Do you have a Wi-Fi, right? So to say, I would like to book a room, you will say, je voudrais réserver une chambre. I would like to book a room. Je voudrais réserver une chambre. Chambre is room, okay? I would like to book a room. Je voudrais réserver une chambre. Okay? And do you have a Wi-Fi? Ça veut dire, avez-vous le Wi-Fi? Avez-vous le Wi-Fi? Puis-je avoir le Wi-Fi? Meaning, can I have the Wi-Fi of the hotel? Puis-je avoir le Wi-Fi? Right? Wi-Fi in French is Wi-Fi in English. For French is Wi-Fi, right? So you can ask the hotel if you're looking for the Wi-Fi. Can I have the Wi-Fi information? Puis-je avoir les informations du Wi-Fi? Okay? Now, when you land to the place, for example, and you would like to, you have the hotel already, and now you want to order the food. Ordering a food is like you go into that means you're maybe in a French country, you want to order food from a French place, so you have to know how to maybe ask some specific question about, like, I would like, can I have the bills, or can I have the menu, all of those things, right? I would like in French is je voudrais, right? Je voudrais. I would like is je voudrais. Please, I usually use please as s'il vous plaît. The bill in French is also the same thing. Le bill. Le chèque. You can say the check here, you can say the bill. In French also you can say le chèque ou l'addition. L'addition means, can I have the check? Can I have the check? You can say, puis-je avoir l'addition? Okay? A ticket, or to buy a ticket, like a ticket, a plane ticket here means le billet. A plane ticket will mean le billet de l'avion. A plane ticket in English, le billet de l'avion in French. So we know how to say I would like to get a check and the bill, which is l'addition, right? So if you want to ask, for example, what time does a train leave? You can say, à quelle heure part le train? What time does a train leave? You can say, à quelle heure part le train? So the train in English is le train in French. Ticket in English is le billet. The flight in English is l'avion. Okay? When you're in trouble or you need help, for example, you can say, I need help. That means, j'ai besoin d'aide. I need help is, j'ai besoin d'aide. Call the police. Appelez la police. Call the police for me, please. Appelez la police pour moi, s'il vous plaît. Right? You can be shopping, for example. How much does this cost? Combien ça coûte? How much does it cost? Combien ça coûte? What is the size of a shirt? Size means la taille. Do you have this size? Avez-vous la taille? Okay. And now let's go back to the normal thing that we have learned before. When you get to a new country, you have to introduce yourself. Hello, my name is Bibi. I'm so pleased to meet you. And nice to meet you. How are you? And in French, you will say, bonjour, mon nom c'est Bibi. Je suis très enchantée de vous connaître et je suis très ravie de faire votre connaissance. Comment allez-vous? Okay? It is so important, I feel like when you go into a different country, you should learn at least the introduction, some specific phrases that you can use during your travel, which is the one we talked about, in terms of knowing how to ask for help, knowing how to ask for somebody to ask for a police, asking for the gate, asking to where you can go, when somebody can help you, how much does something cost. All of those things are things that I think are necessary for you to know, right? So today we learn about specific things that you can ask. For example, if you're at the airport, you want to ask, where is the boarding gate? For example, you can say, où est la porte d'embarquement? Boarding gate in French is porte d'embarquement. Please, sir, can you help me find the boarding gate? S'il vous plaît, monsieur, pouvez-vous m'aider pour que je trouve la porte d'embarquement pour mon billet? Okay? I hope this is helping, because I felt like, so we learned about, I think, 10 things. So the first one was about knowing how to say hello, how to say thank you, bonjour, merci, and also how to ask for direction. Where are you going? Where is this place? How can you help me? Pouvez-vous m'aider? Où se trouve cette porte? Où se trouve ce monsieur? Où se trouve means where is the specific things. When you get to an hotel, you would like a book an accommodation. Puis-je avoir une chambre? Puis-je louer une chambre? C'est à combien cette chambre? Meaning, how much does it cost for me to rent this place? Ordering the food, you can ask for a menu, for example. Est-ce que je peux avoir la menu pour pouvoir commander quelque chose, pour manger? Right? You can ask those questions. And excuse me is s'il vous plaît. I would like to, je voudrais. Right? So I hope this is useful. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. And I hope it's something that you learned today. And I'll try my best to bring more, because I feel like it will be useful, that if you are learning the French language, you should be able to know what to say, what not to say. What to say, what not to say, and then to be able to know exactly how to communicate, the basic communication when you go to a country that is foreign to you, right? I hope you enjoy this, and please like, share, and don't forget to come back for more tips and for more teaching in regard to the French language. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.